Wichita Public Schools is located in Wichita, Kansas. It is the largest school district in Kansas, and our vision of Wichita Public Schools is to be the district of choice in our region where all students and staff are empowered to dream, believe, and achieve. We have over 50,000 students in our district with a diverse population. Our population is made up of Hispanic, Caucasian, and African American students. There are 105 languages that are spoken in our schools that origin from 97 different countries of birth. Our mission in Wichita Public Schools is to prepare all students to achieve college, career, and life readiness through an innovative and rigorous educational experience. We serve students in pre-K through 12th grade. Our first goal is to increase graduation rate, and our graduation rate has increased every year. Last year, our graduation rate increased 5%, and our graduation rate has increased 17% since 2010. Our second goal is to increase third grade reading proficiency, as we know that reading is a foundation for a successful life. Our third goal is to increase certifications and college credit for our students. Our students have access to 25 career and tech ed pathways in 7 career areas. Our fourth goal is that our schools are trusted as safe places with at least a 90% approval rating from our parents and stakeholders. Many of our students have the opportunity to choose a magnet school in our district. There are 24 magnet programs that focus on the area of leadership, STEM, which is science, technology, engineering, and math, the arts, communication, and the traditional experience. We have elementary magnet schools located all over the city, which makes it convenient for our students to attend. And if they have a school they'd like to attend that is outside of their area, then they can ride a bus. Many of our middle and high school magnet schools are also located throughout the city. Our schools are very closely connected with the AVID program. All of our middle schools and high schools implement the AVID program. 4 of our schools are national demonstration schools for AVID. Many of our schools have students that participate in AVID, and they have excelled tremendously. 99% of our students graduated on time with a grade point average of 3.1. 82% of our AVID students were accepted to 4-year colleges or universities, and 96% of those AVID students were a part of the program for 3 or more years. Our goal in Wichita Public Schools is to empower our students and our staff to dream, believe, and achieve, and we live this motto every day.